seen a fine girl today?
Yes. Mommy. Mommy,
Yes.
I saw a fine girl.
You saw a fine girl today. Who is the fine girl?
My mom is a fine and my mommy too is a fine girl.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, mommy.
Let's do a quick OOTD. I'm going out. I have a family friend that the wife just put to bed, so just something casual. I feel like I like what I'm wearing. What do you think? Does she look pretty? Yeah.
Who works in this building, that even though our work sometimes goes on in dark corners, that is no
How many kilos is it?
My hair is so rough.
But I don't know. I am throwing a surprise birthday celebration for my niece today, and she's not aware. So come with me. Let's surprise her together. And the rain decided it's going to spoil our activities for today. No. Let's hide. Everybody first.
Let's hide. Everyone hide. Mommy, should we hide?
Oh my God. See it's your mother, see. I'm so confused. You are confused.
And see your cake.
Thank you.
Were you surprised? We caught you off guard. You
should have told me.
I thought I was going to break anybody's head. I thought I was going to break.
Williams, you are sweating already.
Everybody. Who is saying that? Who was saying it?
I need kiwi also, and grapes, and apple. How much is kiwi? 2,000 per one. Jesus is Lord.
The avocado, right for tomorrow.
For tomorrow, yes. Yeah, it's okay. How much is this banana? People that came back from church and they are shouting. I thought, what happened to you? Say hello.
Hello, Mommy. Mommy, I'm back. Mom.
Yeah.